Ram 1500 has 28,342 miles, and it is time to replace air filter. It is located on the passenger side. It takes 10mm socket or screwdriver. Phillips or flathead can be used to take screws out. There is 6 screws total, 2 in the front, middle, and 2 in the back. Screws don't come out, they stay in the top portion, the cover. You just need to take them out of the bottom part. And here is oil filter. It doesn't really look that bad after 28,000 miles. And I'm going to replace it with K&N on suggestion from my son and many different people online, and just talking to them. This is the way to go. It's a little bit more money, but it is well worth it all the time. Before I put new one in, I need to check inside. It's pretty clear, clean, but I will use shop vac and just take any little particles out. It is same size. Fits good. When putting the top cover back, make sure that you are not jamming these screws and that they are loose, and those screws fit well. Do them first hand tight and then time snag all the way around. Quick and easy job to do, important one. If you subscribe to my channel, I will let you know how it performs. A lot of people is talking good about this. I will see and let you know. If you will have questions or comments, I'll be glad to answer them. Thank you for watching.